Today I'm cooking steamboat stock, the soup base in the steamboat meal. The stock is sweet and delicious as a soup. It will taste better once the steamboat is done. This recipe yields 2 liters of steamboat stock and 2.5 liters of stock refill for 6 to 8 persons. The ingredients needed are 800 grams or 3 pieces of chicken carcass and 700 grams of pork bones for stock, 6.5 liters of water, 270 grams of taro roots, 300 grams of corn cut into chunks, 270 grams of carrot cut into chunks, 200 grams of pumpkin cut into chunks, 300 grams of white radish peeled and cut into chunks, 40 grams of cilantro roots, 60 grams of garlic, 1 tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of white peppercorn, 100 grams of shiitake mushroom, 36 grams of anchovy washed, and Chinese cabbage stem. The full list of ingredients is in the see more link. First, add the chicken carcass and pork bones into a pot. Switch on the heat to medium and pour water until almost submerged. Blanch them for 25 minutes. This removes the blood and impurities, making the stock clear. Cover the pot and bring it to boil. Next, wash the peppercorn over the strainer. In a muslin cloth bag, add the anchovy, peppercorn, garlic, and all the cilantro roots. This is to make it easier to remove these small ingredients later. Tie the bags of herbs and set aside. Cut the Chinese cabbage stem into 3 pieces and set aside with shiitake mushroom and bags of herbs. After 25 minutes, the water has started to boil. The chicken has released a lot of impurity and scum. Turn the chicken and pork bones if they are not fully submerged. Let them brunch for about 15 more seconds. After 15 seconds, the bones are fully branched. Transfer to a large tray. Switch off the heat and give them a quick rinse. Discard the water in the pot. As my stock pot is not large and deep enough, it can't take all 6.5 liters of stock and ingredients. So I am cooking the main soup base and stock refill in different pots. In a deep stock pot, add 1 chicken carcass and all the pork bones. Set the other 2 chicken carcass aside for the stock refill. Add the cut cabbage stem, bag of herbs, shiitake mushroom, and half of the following vegetables: corn, pumpkin, carrot, radish, and taro roots. Sprinkle all the salt, switch on the heat to medium, and pour 4.5 liters of water into the pot. Give it a gentle stir to mix the ingredients together. Cover the pot and let it come to a rolling boil. Then, in another pot, add the remaining ingredients for the stock refill: the 2 chicken carcass, Chinese cabbage stem, corn, carrot, pumpkin, and radish. Add 2.5 liters of water until the chicken and ingredients are submerged. Give it a slight stir. Switch on the heat to medium. Cover the pot and let it come to a rolling boil. This may take up to 20 minutes. After 25 minutes, the soup base is boiling vigorously. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for another 2 hours. This slowly extracts all the flavor of the ingredients into the stock, making it sweet and delicious. After 20 minutes, the stock refill is boiling vigorously. Let it continue boiling on a low heat for about 2 hours as well. After 2 hours, the stock refill is ready. The stock has reduced a bit. It's very fragrant. Give it a slight stir. The vegetable has released a lot of their essence and are very soft. Cover the pan and switch off the heat. Let it rest for a couple of hours to cool. For the soup base, the essence of the ingredients has been extracted and the stock has reduced quite a lot. Give it a stir. See how clear the stock is? Perfect. Cover the pot and switch off the heat. Let it rest for about 2 to 3 hours to cool completely. After about 3 hours, the stock refill has cooled completely. Remove the chicken and vegetable with a slotted spatula first so we do not overload the strainer later. Then pour the stock over the strainer into a large bowl to remove the smaller remnants of the ingredients. Set aside. Repeat for the soup base as well, removing the larger ingredients with a slotted spatula before pouring it over the strainer. And now we have the soup base and the stock refill for our steamboat soup. The darker one is the pork and chicken soup base, while the lighter one is the chicken stock refill. They are very clear and quite fragrant. For the boiled ingredients, they can be consumed as is or discarded, as almost all their essence and taste have been extracted. The stock can be kept in the fridge for 1 to 2 days or 2 to 3 weeks in the freezer. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for my next video, making a homemade steamboat for the family. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!